Hey, Dana, and welcome to my blog. Well, it, of course, is Christmas time, and everybody's running around trying to find gifts for everybody. Well, this year, instead of going out and getting jewelry, as I have for a couple years now, she is, this is basically, I'm looking for something for my wife. Well, supposedly the big thing this year is the frickin' Ninja Foodie Grill, and I've been running around trying to find it, and of course I want the Pro, which is a Ninja Foodie Pro 5-in-1 indoor grill. They have a 4, but the difference is it doesn't have a dehydrator. So if you want to just grill and stuff like that, it would be fine. But it doesn't have a dehydrator, which is what the wife's been trying to do for a couple months now, is buy a dehydrator. Well, she found this Ninja, because we've got the Ninja, a couple of Ninja products now. And she found this Ninja, and she just, whoa! I want this Ninja. So I've gone around to different stores, Kohl's, Bed and Bath, and they're sold out. I went online to order it through a firm, and they're out of it online. So what the heck? So she says, well, we'll go straight to Ninja. So I went to direct.ninjakitchen.com. Well, of course they have it, and they seem to have a pretty good deal on it. The reason the stores was selling out is if you buy it, if you're buying it on at the store, Kohl's has it for $1.99, and Bed Bath and Beyond has it for $179. So of course, yeah, they're gone. So if you go to Ninja's site, they have it for $199. Now I deal with a firm, and a couple of videos there on situations with a firm, one with Lowe's. You can't use it in store. You've got to order online and go pick it up. Well, same thing with Bed Bath and Beyond. You've got to buy it online and then pick it up in the store. Well, that's what I thought I was doing when we went to check it out. They were out online, so I couldn't even, one of the stores in Rochester had one, and unfortunately the store will not take a virtual credit card without it being a physical barcode. So I wound up being out of luck, and that's what basically brought us to go straight to Ninja. Now, this Ninja grill looks like this, and it's got all kinds of, it's 5-in-1 indoor grill, integrated smart probe, with a 5-quart air dryer, so you can air dry it, grill, air crisp, bake, roast, and dehydrate. quarts. You can do a shish kebab, a 5-pack, cleaning brush, 20 recipe book, 90-day money-back guarantee. I'm going with this one here because of the fact that it's got a package. Now, you get temperature probe, which is basically a must because it'll automatically sense everything and shut down when it's done cooking. Roasting rack, griddle cup, veggie tray. You can get a 3-year VP warranty. You can also get a lifetime warranty on it. You get a recipe book and a beginner's guide. Now if you just want just a plain grill, this is what you get over here, and that's $99. So if you add another $100 to it. Also I found that, so it gives you some videos on all this stuff. And smoke free, dishwasher safe, built-in cooking functions, and as you see, reviewers give it out of 236 a 5. So it is a supposedly it is an amazing thing here. Now, but I did figure out that we're missing a couple of pieces. So when you jump to buy now, you need to be sure. See, there's your VP for 64, a lifetime warranty on it, and you got to buy. You don't get the dehydrator stand that goes inside it, so that's an additional $29. So you're gonna wanna add that, and I'm gonna go with the lifetime because there's no telling what you're gonna wind up. So there we go, and I'm gonna go through my Affirm. Now she had mentioned something to me about getting cooking gloves, which basically are a must because you're dealing with something here that's if you're cooking, you need cooking gloves anyway. So this is also, remember, we got a 90-day trial on it, risk free. So it's a no questions asked return for 90 days. Let's see. So let's see where.